So, you're thinking about becoming a backend developer. Cool. But before you jump in, let's make sure you actually know what you're signing up for. Because backend devs, we're the people who make the internet work. When a front-end dev clicks a shiny button, it's the backend that does all the heavy lifting behind the curtain. We're like stage crew in a rock concert. You don't see us, but without us, nothing happens. While front-end devs are out there making pixels pretty, back-end devs are wrangling APIs, databases, and servers that hold the entire show together. It's not glamorous. No fancy animations, no gradients, just raw logic, data, and caffeine. If you love solving puzzles, optimizing queries, and yelling at cloud configs at 3 a.m., welcome home. Because backend isn't about colors, it's about connections. Languages, you've got options. Python, Java, Node.js, Go, all different flavors of backend pain. And once you're in, you'll spend half your time writing APIs and the other half wondering why production suddenly broke when you changed nothing. But here's the upside. Backend devs are in demand. Every app, every system, every SaaS product needs one. It's stable, it pays well, and once you get the hang of it, you start thinking in architecture diagrams instead of pixels. So should you become a backend dev? If you enjoy solving complex problems, thinking about scalability, and making systems talk to each other, yes, 100%. But if you need instant visual satisfaction, maybe stick to front-end. Backend isn't about looking cool, it's about making everything else work. And that, my friend, is real power. So what do you think? Would you rather build what people see, or build what makes it possible? Drop your answer in the comments. And if you want me to roast front-end next, you know what to do. Smash that like and join the CodeBlastX crew.